Mahanadi Coalfields Limited. With its unique geological formation, India has been blessed with a huge natural reserve of coal, which has been a key component of India's socio-economic growth. And world's largest coal mining company, Coal India Limited, which is a Maharatna public sector company. It is the principal organization for production and distribution of 82% coal in India. Formed in 1992, with an annual capacity of 23 million tons, the youngest subsidiary of Coal India Limited, Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, has now become a coal giant, producing 148 million tons of coal during last fiscal. Located in the eastern part of India, Odisha is full of natural resources and opportunities. Headquartered at Sambalpur, with mining operations spread across Angul, Jharsuguda and Sundargarh districts, MCL is operating its mines in Ib Valley Coalfield and Talched Coalfield, which has India's largest coal reserves. Introduction to mining process. It comprises of a very meticulous processes to set up and run a coal mine. Before opening a new mine, a detailed project report is prepared by CMPDIL, which is a dedicated planning and design subsidiary of Coal India Limited, based on geological report of the mining block. Diverse categories of private and public land are required by the company as per law. Subsequently, statutory clearances are obtained from different authorities that may include forestry clearance, environmental clearance, consent to establish and consent to operate. After paying compensation to the landowners and taking care of their rehabilitation and resettlement, physical possession of land is taken and existing structures and vegetation are cleared for commencement of mining operation. A fleet of shovels and dumpers remove the topsoil rock layers and expose the coal seam. Drilling and blasting are adopted for breaking of harder rock strata. The whole operation of removal of soil and rock is also called overburden removal. The removed overburden is used to backfill the mine voids through a systematic dumping process, keeping a high attention to mine safety. The exposed coal seam is mined using surface miners for cutting of coal to less than 100 mm size and a combination of payloaders and tippers for loading and transport of coal to railway sidings, silo loading facilities or pit head coal stocks. MCL has 22 operating railway sidings, 3 silos with rapid loading systems and 4 merry-go-rounds to load coal on the rail wagons to dispatch coal to its end users. Once the coal is dispatched through rakes of rail wagons from MCL to thermal power plants, it is received in ground bunkers. Coal thus received is pulverized to the size of approximately 72 microns for firing into giant boilers to produce steam. The steam is fed to steam turbines to generate electricity, which is further transmitted to the national grid, from where it is distributed to millions of homes and industries across the nation. Not only digging and dispatching, but coal mining also involves many other critical auxiliary and parallel activities like management of strata and rainwater by effective sump management and pumping, dust management by suitable measures like checking spillage of material using mechanical road sweepers, mobile water sprinklers, fixed water sprinklers, mobile and fixed fog cannons, and use of chemical dust suppressants. Fire control by keeping coal benches clean, compacting and keeping dome shape of coal stock, cooling of stock by using water, and prompt dispatch of coal to consumers using first in, first out principle and using latest innovations like robotic nozzle and quadra jet nozzles. After production process is over, the mined out areas are reclaimed physically as well as biologically as per the approved mine closure plan. The reclaimed areas are developed into parks, water reservoir as source of water, serving the purpose of groundwater recharging, agricultural, horticultural and others. Engaged in coal mining for over 3 decades, we believe we have many a mile to go, millions to produce, and bring smile to the billions by making India a prosperous, developed, and an energy-sufficient nation.